Yo, what is going on? Instagram, YouTube family, Audrey Money back here at it again with another YouTube video. And today I'm going to be looking at two pairs, which is GPUSD and GPUD, right? So far right now, we still have GPUSD running in profits. We're currently floating around 121 pips. And we had already secured partials inside with our Pitts Private Club members as well. Before I get started, I just want to mention, if you want to be part of my live trading sessions, just go ahead and click the link in the description or the link in bio on my Instagram, so that way you could be joining my live trading sessions alongside with all my Pitts Private Club students. So with that being said, also go ahead and smash the like button and comment below if you have any questions in regards to trading, so I can help you out too as well in your trading journey. So let's go ahead and get started. So here, if we look at the weekly time frame on GPUSD, as mentioned prior in other videos, I had mentioned the market still has a lot to move to the upside to come and test our weekly cumulative price candle and potentially come and clear out our liquidity that we have in the equal highs. So with that being said, I'm waiting for in the 1 hour time frame for a re-entry for our second entry on GPUSD. It's for a small retracement to happen into our most recent cumulative price candle that we have right here. So once we come into the cumulative price candle, I expect market to go to the upside. If not, a market will just keep on rallying to the upside. It might not even come there. Just really depends on how market reacts and how fast the market's gonna be moving. But if you guys do want to get in for a second entry, I'm only risking 21 pips to get in overall 121 pips for a second entry. So our entry price is right here, entry price, profit area, and stop loss. So pretty self-explanatory, not really much into it that I'm looking in. I'm just waiting for that small return to happen to get in once again for a buy opportunity. And in GPUD is a pair that we just currently got in for a buying position as well with all of my Pitts Profit Club members. We had to place a buy limit here. So let me just go ahead and explain from the very start. So if we look at the daily time frame on GPUD, we can see how market here had created this impulse to the upside last night, which was another session, which was the last day, right? We created this impulse to do what? To come and clear out some buy side liquidity that we left over here in the equal highs. So once we clear that buy side liquidity, what is market going to do? It's always going to tend to retrace down into the cumulative price candle that we have right here on the daily time frame. Now you might ask yourself, why you're not placing the buy limit down there in the opening of that cumulative price candle? You'll see right now once we go into lower time frames, because sometimes market tends to just retrace 50% of the overall imbalance, because they're usually that's going to be in a cumulative price candle around that area. So we look at the forward time frame. Here on the forward time frame, we can see how we have all this imbalance area that we have to fill in, right? But just coming into the 1 hour and 15-minute time frame, we're just waiting for that small retracement, which right here we created buy limit area, which would also be my breaker on the 1 hour time frame that we had over here prior. So on top of that, we also have the confirmation of our breaker from the past. And just coming into the 15-minute time frame, we could see how on the 15-minute time frame, we are currently testing out of our cumulative price candle right here, which was where we placed our buy limit. As you can see, market has been activated. We activated our buy limit with zero drawdown, and we're already running instant profits. So pretty simple explanatory. Right here on the 15-minute time frame, we just came and fill in the 15-minute imbalance area, which we had our 15-minute cumulative price candle in the past right here, right in this area. So right now, once the London session opens in 5 minutes, I expect market to have a great impulse to the upside to come and clear out my buy side liquidity that we left from retail traders inside this area and I will high. So right here, retail traders started getting for sales. Why? Because market was overbought. So if you look at the RSI, here on the RSI, you can see how market was overbought. So therefore, retail traders are now starting to get in for sales, which they did. They got in for sales right there. So we see those selling positions coming in from retail traders, which is where market and retail traders are accumulating their stop losses to be cleared out after the banks get in for their longing position down here. Because also we did create our buy side liquidity and distribution in this area. So we have the first tap, second tap, and third tap from our false trend. So every time that we have a false trend, well, retail traders are going to be looking to sell, right? They're going to be looking to sell here and overbought area and looking to sell here as well. Why? Because they see that tested their second tap of the trend line. So therefore, they're getting for sales here and sales here. And right now, we have a lot of stop loss being accumulated inside this area. So first, what the market do? Came and clear our sell side liquidity before clearing out our buy side liquidity. So once we clear the sell side liquidity, market's going to do what? Retrace down to come and test and find us a cumulative price candle that we had in the past. So once we've seen that cumulative price candle being tested, as you can see right now, the institutional banks are right now currently getting in for those buying positions to long GPUD and clear out our stop losses that we have of retail traders inside here, which is this buy side liquidity where retail traders got in for sales and our old high. So our first take profit on GA, we do have it on this old high once we saw those stop losses. And our last take profits, we haven't based on the daily time frame to come and clear out our buy side liquidity over here, which is where we have the false formation of this false heel and shoulder, which is also where we should traders starting getting for selling positions, and to finally come and clear out our buy side liquidity of equal highs over here. So I mean, with that being said, those are the only pairs I'm going to be taking a look at tonight for this London session. And other pairs that we looked at last night was USD/JPY. USD/JPY, I'm still waiting for that buy limit to be activated on the 1 hour time frame to just come and retrace fully into its imbalance area and test into this information our price candle and then rally to the upside, as well as Euro NCD. Euro NCD, we're still waiting for that buy limit to be activated as well. Currently just waiting to clear out all this sell side liquidity that will list on the 1 hour time frame. And once we clear that sell side liquidity on the 1 hour, when we clear that sell side liquidity on the 1 hour, we would also be coming down and filling in imbalance area that we have over here, and would also be the 1 hour breaker inside here, which this is the 1 hour breaker, and would also be the opening of the 4 hour time frame exclamation our past candle that we have over here. So with that being said, I mean, those are the only pairs I'm looking at tonight. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash the like button and comment down below for any questions that you have in regards to trading or any other video that you guys want me to do, or any specific terms about trading that you guys want me to go over with. So everybody, with this being said, have a great night and happy trading to y'all.